This bear was kind enough to respect this photographer's personal space.
Okay, good.
Hey, close enough, buddy.
Bear's like, okay, geez.
I know that babies kick around in the womb, but this is pretty crazy.
What the freak are you doing to my belly button?
What? Well. Okay then.
The ancient Romans would have horse-drawn chariots, but today we have motorcycle chariots.
What? What is this?
This photographer used a stabilized camera to capture Earth's rotation.
That's actually quite interesting.
I was in London a few days ago and noticed many old buildings had windows that were filled in with bricks. So I looked it up, and turns out there used to be something called a window tax. About 300 years ago, England wanted to tax people's homes based on the number of windows they had. So in order to pay less in taxes, people would permanently board up the windows of their homes.
Okay.